In this video, we will draw a queen chess piece freehand with colored pencils. We will begin the outline of the queen with cream color. The cream color will be used as a guide, and then we can draw over it later with darker colors. We will begin the darker outline of the queen with a black cherry color pencil. The queen is a noticeable chess piece in part because it has the shape of a crown at the top. The queen's crown usually has multiple points and a sphere decoration in the center that is different than the crown of the king. Since we're filling the queen in with color, using a piece of scrap paper may help to keep the drawing clean from your hand. We are adding shading or shadows to help define the areas that are dark or in shadow. This in turn helps to define the shape of the object as perceived by the viewer. Keeping with the freehand theme, the shading or value are personal aesthetic choices as opposed to a real chess piece set up with lighting for reference. After sharpening the pencil, we will continue the dark outline with the black cherry color. I then continued to darken the shadows and add more value. To finish the drawing, I just kept darkening and defining the edges with a sharp color pencil. Like almost every other chess piece, the shadow in the middle split the object in half a little bit too much. Instead of such a strong shadow in the middle, a softer shadow could have helped with the illusion that the shape was a little bit rounder. Overall, the cream, dark umber, and black cherry colors created a somewhat monochromatic combination for this freehand queen chess piece. Looking back, I'm okay with how this queen turned out. As I'm okay with how this turned out, I'm glad that I'm able to share the process of drawing this queen and the other pieces in this chess set with you.